Welcome back. In this video, we're making a meatball parm. Ground beef, ground pork, Parmesan cheese, 3 large eggs, parsley, and breadcrumbs. Season with salt and pepper. Grab 6 slices of white bread, remove the crust, and then run each one under hot running water, squeezing out any of the remaining water. Break it up into small pieces and add it to the mixture. Mix until combined. Scoop out a portion of the mixture and roll them into balls. You should get about 15. Bake at 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And then back into the oven they go, this time under the broiler, for 3 to 5 minutes. And then right here I have some gravy, which was heating up on the stovetop behind me. Add in the meatballs and toss to coat. Onto toasted Italian bread, your meatballs one by one, a few slices of mozzarella cheese, under the broiler it goes, or until the cheese has melted. One final hit of gravy, sprinkle on Parmesan cheese, crown your sandwich, and there we have it, a meatball parm. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.